Hello everyone, this is Amelia with Doxy.me, and today I'm talking to you about Teleconsent, the easiest way to guide patients through digital consent forms and collect their signatures while maintaining HIPAA compliance. With Teleconsent, instead of sending forms back and forth by email, you now can review and request signatures right within your call. In minutes, you can collect a legally binding digital document with no delays and no extra steps. Getting started is simple. From your dashboard, simply select Apps from the sidebar and explore the Apps library. Select Teleconsent and click Add to Doxy.me at no extra charge. Now, it's ready for your next appointment. Let's see it in action. During a session, you can launch Teleconsent from the Apps button on your control bar. You'll find 5 essential forms included: telehealth appointment consent form, consent for a specified documents, acknowledgement of receipt, of privacy practices notice, authorization for release of health information, and advance a beneficiary notice of non-coverage ABN. When you're ready, click Share. You and your patient can fill out the form together or independently. You can answer questions in real time, highlight important details, and direct their attention to specific sections that need completing. Once everything's signed, simply generate the PDF. Both you and your patient can download a copy instantly. With Teleconsent, the consent process is smooth, professional, and secure, helping patients feel confident while saving you valuable time. Add Teleconsent from the Apps library to try it out in your next appointment.